Let's start with installation. Now if you look at the thickness of the liner of the brake shoe, it's very different. Now you can compare both the thickness, or you can show like this. Okay, I hope now you can compare properly. So this is like, see the difference, or thickness of the liner at different point. At this point you can see it's very thin. So uneven wear and tear is a basically problem of this front brake. So now we'll just begin with the installation. Chemical best thing to keep it with you, because the thing is that your hands are basically greasy, oily, so it should not damage the surface. Otherwise what will happen, you lose the braking efficiency. Now here you need little bit of grease on this surface. Now we'll have to work on the fitment. Fitment is opposite. Fitment is like this way. So while hooking up the brake shoe, or to hook up like this way. So I know it's very difficult because cams get slip off, or the liners get slip off very frequently. Now just a little bit of hammering. Okay, so we are done with the fitment. Now we are ready to install this brake plate on the wheel with the timing.